Today for the Bitcoin price, wow, Bitcoin just dumped down like crazy to $9,100 during the night, but the bulls took over control and Bitcoin is right now pumping back up for more than 350, $400. We will talk about the technical reasons for that, about a specific price target we are looking out for in the immediate short term for Bitcoin, but even more important, about the breaking news here. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Twitter, having tweeted out a new Bitcoin emoji here, making Bitcoin viral on Twitter. Right now, Bitcoin is number 2 in the world for the trending topics, approaching the coronavirus. We will talk about all of that and also about specific evidence that this tweet here actually prevented the Bitcoin price from dumping back down and is giving turmoil and fuel here for the Bitcoin bull run, which is maybe just about to happen in the short term. Guys, you won't believe the statistics we are about to show you in that video, so make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button right now for that video, because I'm a little bit sick, but we have to get that content out for you. So that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to Crypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. We are here on the hourly for the Bitcoin price, and as you can see, we had that massive dump here for Bitcoin, even down to $9,100, but the bulls took over control once again, and we had that significant bounce here. So what's the reason for that? There are technical reasons and there are breaking news reasons, and we will tell you exactly why we think that this is a reason, and we have some evidence for that. Guys, you will be for sure surprised about that. So first of all, we want to talk about the technical reasons before we go into incredible statistics, guys. Look at this. So we have this perfect neckline here, and some people actually, especially the bears, they thought this might be a head and shoulders pattern. Well, we actually don't think this is a head and shoulders pattern, because first of all, the shape is not really perfect, and also if you look at the volume, we usually want to see higher volume spikes here, especially at the shoulders. So in our opinion, this is not a head and shoulders pattern. Maybe the bears were just fooled here, and then their money were taken actually exactly here by the bulls, and the price went up again. So in our opinion, not a head and shoulders pattern, and this dump down here was a fake out, because if it were to be a successful head and shoulders pattern, the bounce should only go here to the fake out level, back to the neckline, before we would actually have to be rejected again, and this in fact didn't happen. Also very nice here to see significant volume here of the bulls buying that up again. Before we go to specific price levels, we definitely have to watch out for, we want to go to the breaking news, because what you are able to see here is Jack Dorsey tweeting out in the middle of the night #Bitcoin during the dump, and that was actually amazing, because not only that Bitcoin is right now going viral, you can see that right here, 66,000 tweets right now, approaching 100,000 tweets today. It is also overtaking all, let me repeat, all other hashtags in the world. Only the coronavirus has more right now, but Bitcoin is already approaching that. So guys, first of all, before we go into the specific evidence and also into the statistics, we have a tweet on top of the pinned comment, and if you want to support that movement, go to our tweet, like it, retweet it, and also comment with #Bitcoin right now. We are liking all of your comments, guys. Thanks for your support, and let's get Bitcoin to the top of the trending, even on top of the coronavirus, which is a very important topic, of course, to talk about, and which is a very sad topic. Please don't misunderstand us right here. But right now, Bitcoin is going viral. And now, guys, the most important thing, at 6:30 German time, he tweeted that actually out, which is 5:30 UTC. So if we were to go back here into the charts, you can basically see that Bitcoin dumped down at 4 o'clock, and at 5 o'clock, it was basically already jumping back. So in our opinion, this tweet here of Jack Dorsey making Bitcoin a viral topic right now might be one of the reasons of the bulls taking back over control, but especially for the follow through here and this Bitcoin movement towards the upside right now. Let us know in the poll, which is popping up on top of the screen right now. Do you think that this #Bitcoin emoji is one of the reasons for Bitcoin actually going viral right now, and also for the Bitcoin price going up right now? Let us know in the poll, which is popping up on top of the screen, and say yes or no. That would be interesting to know. But I mean, guys, this time here, it can't really be a coincidence, and probably he really timed that perfectly well, also from a strategic point of view. Thank you so much, Jack Dorsey. So we wanted to talk about that, but also about this specific statistic here, because you can see a very high correlation here between the Bitcoin tweets and the Bitcoin price. And of course, correlation is not causation. And in this case, we think that the causation goes from the Bitcoin price to the tweets. So whenever the Bitcoin price goes higher, of course, people are tweeting more. But this time, first time in history, maybe the causation is going from the tweets over to the Bitcoin price. So we have a reverse engineering here of the causation. And if this day ends well here, we will see Bitcoin tweets actually skyrocketing back to the levels of October, November 2017. And of course, our assumption here is that if this were to happen, that we will actually have more eyeballs seeing this Bitcoin emoji, maybe clicking on it. And if you click on it, of course, you can see all this bullish news here about Bitcoin and all these amazing properties of Bitcoin, the fundamentals the people are talking about in tweets. What we want to tell you guys, every single tweet is generating so many impressions, and every impression is one eyeball going to Bitcoin. And if you press here on the impressions of our tweet, only our tweet within 1 hour got 1,700 impressions. And we are talking here right now about 66,000 tweets. So we are talking about millions and millions and millions of eyeballs seeing the word Bitcoin right now. So this is very important to get in new money. And you know that new money is actually what we need if we want the price of Bitcoin to go higher. In the bull market, we need new money. We need new money, of course, entering the space to get the Bitcoin price higher, right? So this can be one of the very amazing opportunities to get new money in. So go to the street, make sure you like it, you retweet it, and you comment it, because we think that can help to get more eyeballs here for Bitcoin. And now guys, last but not least, let's check out here what are the specific price targets for Bitcoin. As it was already before the case, we think that this is the most important price level we have to surpass, approximately 9,600 US dollars. If we were to surpass 9,600 US dollars, we would actually overcome the most important resistance we had back here and the most important support we had during all these months here for the Bitcoin price, also right here at this Xi Jinping pump. If Bitcoin were to surpass these levels, the next price level we are looking out for is not only 10,400, we want to show you something no one is really looking at right now, the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves. Because guys, you can remember how we talked about this actually not only perfectly calling these consolidation phases and also where Bitcoin is topping out and bottoming out, it was also perfectly calling where Bitcoin is finding local tops and once again local bottoms. And this was actually amazing to see. But now guys, guess what? Our most important level here from a TA point of view is exactly perfectly coinciding with this specific 14% Fibonacci retracement level here. So if we were to overtake this Fibonacci retracement level here on the daily, the next price target would not only be 10,400 as we have shown you before to get in a higher high. As you can see, also Bitcoin was rejected here at this specific Fibonacci retracement level on the Bitcoin log growth charts here. The next price level could be also, because this Fibonacci retracement level on the Bitcoin log growth charts is increasing, it could be even after we take out the 10,400 level here somewhere towards the 12,000 US dollar level, as we also covered with DaVinci J15. Right now guys, let us know in the comment section, do you think this Twitter news, this breaking news here of Twitter and Bitcoin going viral on Twitter is actually significant for the Bitcoin price? Go down to the comment section and let us know. And also make sure you smash up the like button, because what we have seen is that you have been smashing like crazy. We are breaking new records every single video. 1,000 likes, 1,500 likes, even 2,300 likes 3 days ago. Thank you so much for your support, guys. And for all German viewers out there, you know hopefully that we have a German channel. Just type in mmcrypto.de on YouTube here. Just type in mmcrypto.de and you will find our German YouTube channel, guys. And as always, guys, in our pinned comment, you get some free bonuses. So make sure you go down. It takes like 24 seconds, but only for experienced traders. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.